Good evening. Why Apple should expand their distribution network. Apple is a well-known technology brand around the globe. Apple has experienced management changes over the years in which some have affected them financially. Within the last 5 years, Apple has made leadership improvements and is now leading the technology industry. Consumers want and need products that are versatile and readily available. They are looking for products that they can use for multiple things. For work, school, personal use, to track their health. They want products that are high speed and that they can take anywhere they go. However, with Apple's limited manufacturers and distribution network, this poses some areas of weakness compared to their competitors. Since Apple limits who manufactures their products, this generates supply disruptions, such as suppliers' inability to acquire parts, Chinese tariffs, and manufacturers assembling competitor products before Apple's. Additionally, by Apple limiting their manufacturers, this increases their operating expenses. Therefore, their products are more expensive than their competitors. With Apple limiting who they want to sell their products, limits their global reach in which consumers can purchase their products. This also affects their price compared to their competitors. Although Apple has 470 distribution centers globally, they need to reevaluate their manufacturing and distribution networks to remain competitive and to attract consumers. Apple has the ability to seek suppliers and manufacturers in the global market in which they market their products. By doing this, they can find suppliers that have cheaper materials but still at a good grade to match the competitors. With manufacturing products in the market in which they are selling, this will help reduce operating expenses because they will not have to ship their products globally. Their prices can stay more competitive for their products against their competitors, and they can reach more consumers globally. Moreover, this will benefit Apple because they can manufacture the products to meet the consumer's needs in that global market. Expanding their distribution network will enable Apple to increase sales, which will generate revenue growth. Thank you.